Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Bambang Permadi. You can call me Bambang or Bams. And I I am a student from UMNO Kebumen, Province Jawa Tengah, Indonesia. And at the present moment, I want to give you some material or information about passive sentence. Uh, Next, look at this sentences. Number one, he eats an apple. Number two, an apple eaten by him. Do you know about both of the sentences? Yeah, number one is active sentence, and number two is passive sentence. Both of them have the same meaning, but both are different types of sentences. Both have same meaning, but both are different types of sentences. Okay, next. Okay, let's discuss about the difference between active and passive sentence. Active sentence, in an active sentence, the subject is the one doing the actions. But in passive sentence, the focus is on the receiver of the action. Notebook NB. The agent or the door is optional and introduced with by. So the passive sentence usually introduced by word by. Okay, and only transitive verb that take an object can be made passive. So if we will make a passive voice of or passive sentence, uh, we should take transitive verbs. uh, Transitive verbs. And if the verbs is not transitive verbs, like sleep or stand up, so we cannot. Okay, next, the feature of active and passive sentence. One, focus. Active sentence, the focus is the subject does the action, but the passive sentence, the focus is the object receives the action. And number two, structure, optional. If active sentence, the structure is subject plus verb plus object, optional with tenses that used. And the passive sentence, the structure is object plus be plus past participle or verb 3 plus by plus agent. And for example, active sentence is the chef cooked the meal. And passive sentence, for example, the meal was cooked by the chef. Next, this is the table of passive form. That is be plus past participle. They are simple present, present progressive, present perfect, simple past, past progressive, past perfect, simple future, be going to future perfect. For example, simple present, Pumps plays the ball. The passive voice is the ball is played by Pumps. And then present progressive, Pumps is playing the ball. And the passive voice is the ball is being played by Pumps. And so on. We must remember that in all cases the action is done by Pumps or by subject, and the receiver is the ball or the object. And passive voice is formed using be plus past participle. We optional with the tenses. Therefore, be changes based on the tense, namely present or past or future tense. Some passive forms like progressive tense, imperfect, and future are rarely used. So in progressive tense, imperfect and future are rarely used. For example, uh, wait a minute. Like this, Bums was playing the ball. The ball was being played by Bums, or present perfect. This the ball has been played by Bum. This is rarely to used in the passive forms. And indication or interrogative forms, auxiliary verbs come before the subject. For example, this one. Or I'm sorry, this one. Bum Bums plays the ball. The interrogative is, does Bum play the ball? So the passive voice is ball played by Bambang, and so on. And then let's do this exercise. You can screenshot or pause this video and do this exercise in your home. And uh, good job for the exercise. Okay, that's all from me about the material of passive sentence. Thank you for your attention and for your watching. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.